Hi, good morning. Welcome to MU Can Garden. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of our yard today. Really excited that you can be with us here today. My name is Maricela Ulrich of MU Can Garden, featuring my editor, Furious SM. Thank you for being here today. I hope you're just as excited about spring coming up here soon as we are. Got a lot of things on the horizon here with our garden, a couple of changes. We've been doing a lot of things in Smart Pots over the last few years, and I feel like this year is the time to expand. I want to do something a little bit different, a little bit bigger. Background with me, I've always loved gardening. I never grew up as a professional gardener or anything like that, but I just always enjoyed the hobby of it, and I really feel that anybody can grow anything as long as you want to get out there and do it. I find gardening as a great, not only a hobby, but providing food on the table, and a fantastic way to bond and get my kids involved and spend some quality time with them doing this. If you stay with us and subscribe and like our channel, you're going to get to watch all kinds of fun things that we do have planned and in store. We would like to erect a hoop house here before spring hits. We're going to be starting kind of changing things, like I mentioned, out of the Smart Pots. Those will still keep moving those around. We're also going to be adding some raised garden boxes and trying to get in there and do some square foot gardening. So if you're not familiar with that, join us. This is going to be new for us as well. And just kind of going from there and see where this journey of spring and summer leads into, with hopefully a bountiful summer harvest. Thank you very much.